natural tooth pain relief. 4 remedies that work fast. Let me tell you about Ava. She's 22, a dental college student of all people who woke up one morning with a pulsating pain in her back molar. She checked the cabinet, no Tylenol, no ibuprofen, and the pharmacy didn't open for another 3 hours. Frustrated in tears, she called her mom, used the clove oil for aromatherapy. Her mom said, "And don't forget the saltwater gargle boiled guava leaves if you have them." And just like that, Ava began her emergency at-home treatment, natural tooth pain relief, that got her through the worst 24 hours of dental agony. This story isn't just about Ava, it's about you, too, because if you've ever had a toothache with no meds nearby, what you're about to learn could save you hours of pain. Chapter 1. Clove oil, the fastest natural pain reliever. Onset of effect, immediate. Duration of pain relief, 30 to 90 minutes. Frequency of use, 4 to 6 times a day, every 2 to 3 hours. Clove oil contains a natural anesthetic called eugenol, which quickly numbs the tooth nerve and even reduces inflammation. How to use: dilute 1 to 2 drops of clove oil in a teaspoon of carrier oil. Dip a cotton ball and apply to the affected tooth for 2 to 3 minutes. Doctor's tip: never use undiluted clove oil, it can cause burns or gum irritation. Chapter 2. Cold compress, external soothing effect. Onset of effect, immediate. Duration of pain relief, 1 to 2 hours. Frequency of use, 4 to 6 times a day, every 2 to 3 hours. The moment Ava placed that cold pack on her cheek, she felt it relief. Cold compresses slow down nerve conduction and reduce swelling in the surrounding tissues. How to use: wrap ice or a frozen pack in a towel. Apply for 20 minutes max on the outside of your jaw. Important: never apply ice directly to skin, risk of cold burns. Chapter 3. Salt water plus guava leaf gargle, antibacterial combo. Onset of effect, fast within minutes. Duration of pain relief, 1 to 2 hours. Frequency of use, 3 to 5 times a day. This is a double-layered remedy. Ava's mom insisted on both. Salt water helps disinfect and reduce swelling. Guava leaves, rich in tannins and flavonoids that are clinically proven to reduce oral inflammation and bacterial load. How to prepare: 1. Boil 5 to 6 guava leaves. Let the water cool slightly. 2. Add 1/2 to 1 teaspoon salt per cup of water. 3. Gargle for 30 to 60 seconds, then spit. Caution: don't swallow. Overuse can cause dry mouth. Chapter 4. Garlic plus onion paste, deep antibacterial soothing. Onset of effect, within 10 to 15 minutes. Duration of pain relief, up to 1 hour. Frequency of use, 2 to 3 times a day. Now here's where Ava hesitated: raw garlic and onion on a sore tooth, but science backs this up. Allicin in garlic kills oral bacteria. Onion has sulfur compounds that reduce nerve-related pain. How to use: finely chop equal parts garlic and onion. Wrap in clean gauze or apply directly with a cotton ball. Place on the painful area for 5 to 10 minutes. Doctor's caution: this paste is strong. Rinse your mouth thoroughly afterward and don't exceed 10 minutes per use. Chapter 5. Natural tooth pain relief. So, did Ava make it through the night? She did. She managed her pain, avoided damage, and got to her emergency dental appointment the next morning. But more importantly, she didn't panic. And now, you won't either. Like this video if you've ever had a toothache and felt helpless. Comment: which of these remedies have you tried and what worked best? Subscribe for weekly doctor-backed natural remedies that actually work. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.